Hello everyone, I'm Isha Rajput from ABS Engineering College, Ghaziabad. So, till now we have discussed total 9 lectures on Unit 3 Transformers of the subject Fundamentals of Electrical Engineering. In Lecture 1, we have discussed working principle and EMF equation of the transformer. In Lecture 2, we have discussed no load condition of the transformer, in which we have explained no load components, no load phasor diagram, etc. In Lecture 3, we have discussed equivalent circuit of the transformer, and then in Lecture 4 we have discussed voltage regulation of the transformer. In Lecture 5 we discussed losses and efficiency of the transformer, and then in Lecture 6 numericals on EMF equation and no load condition of the transformer. And in Lecture 7, we have discussed numerical problems on equivalent circuit. Then in Lecture 9, numerical problems on voltage regulation and efficiency. And last, in Lecture 9, magnetic circuit of the transformer. So now in this lecture, we are going to discuss frequently asked questions in university examination on Unit 3 Transformers of the subject Fundamentals of Electrical Engineering. So, first question is, explain the working principle of transformer and derive the equation of EMF of the transformer. This has been asked in 21-22 odd semester as well as in 2023-24 even semester. So for its explanation, you can refer my lecture 1, in which I have explained complete working principle of the transformer and derivation of the EMF equation. Now, second question is, draw the phasor diagram of practical two-winding transformer at no load condition. It has asked it. This question has been asked many times in the university examination, like in 2021-22 odd semester, 2022-23 even semester, 2022-23 odd semester, and as well as 2023-24 odd semester. So this is very good question. This is very important question. So for this, its explanation, you can refer my second lecture, in which I have explained the complete phasor diagram of the transformer and no load components of the transformer. I have also explained the equivalent circuit of the transformer at no load condition, right? Now, third question. Third question is, draw the complete equivalent circuit model of a practical transformer and explain its different parameters. So this is also very important question from university examination point of view. It has been asked in 2022-23 odd semester, in 2022-23 even semester, as well as in 2023-24 even semester. So this is also very good and very important question. And for its explanation, you can refer my lecture number 3, in which I have drawn complete equivalent circuit of the transformer, and also I have discussed equivalent circuit of the transformer refer to primary and then refer to secondary. And I have also discussed all the different parameters of the transformer, right? Now, question number 4. Question number 4 is, describe different types of transformer losses and methods to minimize it. This is also very good question. It has been asked in 2022-23 even semester, in 2022-23 odd semester, and for its explanation, you can refer my lecture number 5, in which I have explained different types of losses and methods to minimize it. Right. Now, next, fifth number question is, write the formula for efficiency of the transformer. And what is the condition for maximum efficiency of the transformer? So this question has been asked in 2023-24 even semester. And for its explanation, you can refer my lecture number 5, in which I have explained the efficiency of the transformer, definition of transformer, and definition of efficiency of the transformer, and then I have derived the expression of maximum condition of the transformer, in which I have obtained that for maximum efficiency of the transformer, copper loss must be equal to iron loss, right? Now, next question is, a 100 kVA single phase transformer has iron loss of 600 watt and a copper loss of 1.5 kilowatt at full load current. Calculate the efficiency at full load and zero 0.8 lagging power factor and half load and unity power factor. This question, this same question has been asked in 2022-23 even semester and as well as 2022-23 odd semester. This same question, data also same. Data भी एकदम same है. 100 kVA है तो 100 kVA ही है, 600 watt है तो 600 watt ही है, कॉपर लॉस भी 1.5 किलोवाट है. सेम क्वेश्चन 2022-23 में पूछा गया, 2022-23 में 23 odd semester में पूछा गया. This is very good question. So for this question, I have made the lecture number 8, in which I have solved the complete this numerical, right? In which for full load efficiency, I have taken x is equal to 1. Actually, the expression of efficiency, which I have explained in lecture number 8, this is x into kVA rating of the transformer into cos phi divided by x into kVA rating of the transformer into power factor of transformer plus iron loss plus x square P copper. So here x is the fraction of the load which is less than full load. So for full load efficiency निकालने के लिए firstly we will take x is equal to 1. x को हम 1 लेंगे, 1 यहाँ पर पुट करेंगे. केवीए रेटिंग हमें दी हुई है 100 kVA, पावर फैक्टर हमें गिवन है, आयरन लॉस हमें गिवन है 600 वॉट, कॉपर लॉस हमें गिवन है 1.5 किलोवाट. तो सारे यहाँ पर हम सारी क्वांटिटीज यहाँ पर पुट करेंगे. सो वी विल गेट the efficiency 97.44%, which I have completely solved in lecture number 8. Again, for half load efficiency, we will put x is equal to 1/2. half load efficiency के लिए हम x की वैल्यू 1/2 पुट कर देंगे एंड बाकी सारी चीजें सेम रहेंगे एंड efficiency will come 98.087%, right? So you can refer my lecture number 8 for this. Now, next question is, which has been also asked in university examination. A 20 kVA 2000 volt upon 200 volt single phase 50 hertz transformer has a primary resistance of 1.5 ohm and reactance of 2 ohm. The secondary resistance and reactance are 0.015 ohm and 0.02 ohm respectively. The no load current of transformer is 1 ampere at 0.2 power factor. Determine first one equivalent resistance, reactance and impedance referred to primary. Second one supply current. Third one total copper loss and draw approximate equivalent circuit of the transformer. So this question has been asked in 2023-24 odd semester and 2023-24 even semester. This same question. And for this solution, you can refer my lecture number 7, in which I have completely solved this. So here you can see rating transformer की given है 20 kVA 2000 volt upon 200 volt. तो यहाँ पर 2000 किसको रिप्रेजेंट करता है, which we have already discussed in lecture number 7, प्राइमरी को, और ये रिप्रेजेंट करता है सेकेंडरी को. ये यहाँ पर रेटिंग दी हुई है 20 kVA 50 हर्ट्ज का ट्रांसफॉर्मर है, प्राइमरी रेजिस्टेंस है 1.5 ओम जिसको हम R1 बोलते हैं, राइट? उसके बाद रिएक्टेंस हमें दिया हुआ है 2 ओम, जिसको हम X1 बोलते हैं। सेकेंडरी रेजिस्टेंस हमें दिया हुआ है 0.015 ओम, जिसको हम R2 कहते हैं। और सेकेंडरी रिएक्टेंस हमें दिया हुआ है 0.02 ओम, जिसको हम X2 बोलते हैं, राइट। एंड नो लोड करंट, जिसको हम I0 से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, ये हमें दिया हुआ है 1.1 एम्पियर एट 0.2 पावर फैक्टर। पावर फैक्टर मींस कॉस फाई नॉट, तो कॉस फाई नॉट की वैल्यू हमें दी है 0.2। एंड हमें फाइंड आउट क्या करना है, इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस, रिएक्टेंस एंड इंपेडेंस रेफर टू प्राइमरी। दैट मींस वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट, रेफर टू प्राइमरी है तो R0 1 हम लेंगे, अगर रेफर टू सेकेंडरी होता तो हम R0 2 लेते। उसके बाद रिएक्टेंस कैलकुलेट करना है, तो रिएक्टेंस मींस X0 1 कैलकुलेट करना है। इंपेडेंस कैलकुलेट करना है, दैट मींस हमें Z0 1 कैलकुलेट करना है, राइट। So as we have already discussed in lecture number 7 that R01 is equal to R1 plus R2 dash। उसके बाद X01 का फॉर्मूला होता है X1 प्लस X2 डैश। Z01 का फॉर्मूला, Z01 हम कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे, R01 एंड X01 की हेल्प से। सो दिस विल बी R01 स्क्वायर प्लस X01 स्क्वायर, राइट। सो यहां पर सारी वैल्यूज जब हम पुट करेंगे तो R01 हमारा आ जाएगा 3 ओम, X01 हमारा आ जाएगा 4 ओम एंड Z01 हमारा आ जाएगा 5 ओम, right? So in this way we can calculate these parameters. First one, equivalent resistance, reactance and impedance refer to primary, which I have completely solved in lecture number 7, right? Now in second we have to calculate supply current। इसमें हमें supply current calculate करना है, तो that means हमें क्या calculate करना है, I1। supply current मतलब primary current, जिसको हम I1 से denote करते हैं, तो that will be solved by using KVA rating। KVA rating into 1000 किलो है तो उसको हम 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे डिवाइडेड बाय वोल्टेज। कौन सी वोल्टेज से हम डिवाइड करेंगे, V1 से, मतलब प्राइमरी वोल्टेज से, जो कि हमें 2000 गिवन है। सो इट विल बी इक्वल टू 20 into 1000 डिवाइडेड बाय V1 है हमारा 2000, सो इट विल कम 10 एम्पियर। तो 10 एम्पियर I1 सप्लाई करंट आ जाएगा। लास्ट वन हमें कैलकुलेट करना है टोटल कॉपर लॉस। तो टोटल कॉपर लॉस का फॉर्मूला हम क्या लिखेंगे, टोटल कॉपर लॉस मतलब प्राइमरी का लॉस एज वेल एज सेकेंडरी का लॉस, राइट। तो टोटल लॉस विल बी इक्वल टू लॉस इन प्राइमरी एंड लॉस इन सेकेंडरी। सो कॉपर loss will be calculated as I1 स्क्वायर R01। I1 हमने यहां पर सेकंड में कैलकुलेट किया, R01 हमने फर्स्ट में कैलकुलेट किया। सो इट विल बी इक्वल टू 10 स्क्वायर इंटू 3, इट विल बी इक्वल टू 300 वॉट। So in this way we have calculated all these three parameters, and we can also draw the equivalent circuit। So equivalent circuit के लिए हमें क्या calculate करना होगा, all the parameters of the transformer, right? So in lecture number 7 you can see its complete solution, right? So this was all about the frequently asked question in university examination. References. Thank you for watching this video.